How to change name on Vimeo. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you want to update your profile name on Vimeo, then no worries. It is a quick fix that takes less than a minute. First of all, launch open the Vimeo application on your device, or you can also go open up a web browser and log into Vimeo website and sign into your account. Don't forget to sign in. Once you're inside the main homepage, go to the upper right corner and tap on your profile icon. Once you do that, you'll end up in this profile section where you need to click on View Profile. Now click on Edit Profile on the next page. Inside Edit Profile, go to Name option and enter a new name. Once you are done, click on Save at the top right corner to save your change. So there you have successfully changed your account's name in Vimeo account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.